And welcome back. So we saw a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. Barely a cloud in the sky, and that was the story through most of the day. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse, and with the strong northwesterly wind, we stayed dry. Temperatures did reach the mid-60s for highs, which is just a few degrees below where we should be this time of year. High temperatures across the region show we were into the low to mid-60s out toward Broken Bow and Lexington, mid-60s at Ogallala and Imperial, and a high temperature near 60 at Valentine and at Thedford. So current temperatures look like this: 42 right now at North Platte as we're really starting to cool off. Right now near 40 at Ogallala and Thedford, 45 at Broken Bow, Imperial still near 50, Valentine holding at 44 degrees. Here's a look at the winds, still from a northwesterly direction, a really dry flow. Winds right now down to around 10 to 15 miles per hour in most places, but we are still very dry out there. Now here's a look at the weather alerts. This is for tomorrow. Already issued, we do have that red flag warning. That is basically from, say, the southern half of Lincoln County and points off to the south. So our southern viewing area, basically south of I-80, is in that red flag warning. This is from noon to 8 p.m. Central Time for the day tomorrow. The fire danger still remains up there with the wind and the really dry air. Plus, it is going to be pretty warm as we go through the day tomorrow compared to where it should be this time of year. Clear skies across the entire viewing area. Here's a look at the surface map. High pressure to our south in charge of our forecast. We had its cool flow the last couple of days, but gonna get that surge of warm air as we go through the day tomorrow before another cooler high works its way in as we go through the weekend. That'll keep us dry, but up and down temperatures will be the story. So as we make our way through the rest of the evening into overnight, temperatures fall back into the upper 30s with that dry northwesterly wind continuing. Windy again for the day tomorrow. We will keep mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. In the upper atmosphere, we have that surge of warm air. So we should make it into the low to mid 70s for most of us before a little disturbance makes its way through overnight, Friday night into Saturday. That will increase the clouds. Very little moisture from this system, but most of us do stay dry, starting off Saturday into the lower 40s, and high temperatures will be into the upper 60s with partly to mostly cloudy skies, a cool wind on Saturday. So we got that surge of warm air. This high pressure to our south takes charge for one day only tomorrow before that disturbance clouds us up into early Saturday morning. Then this cooler high works its way in. We stay dry. That northerly wind gets temperatures back down into the 60s. Here's a look at the drought monitor. Just came out this week. Not a big change compared to the last couple of weeks. We did have that batch of rain, but also it did stay dry as we started off the work week. So exceptional drought still from Ogallala out toward North Platte down toward McCook. Now, most of our viewing area outside of this little area in a severe drought, especially out toward Broken Bow and Mullen up toward Valentine, and the city of Arapahoe, the only city in our viewing area in that moderate drought. So things really aren't doing good. We're probably not going to see a lot of improvement over the next week as we do stay dry. Here's the forecast for tonight. Clear skies, and it will be cool. Temperatures into the upper 30s and lower 40s. Now for the day tomorrow, sunny skies, windy and warm, as most of us are into the low to mid 70s. Pretty warm for this time of year. We keep breezy conditions and cool down back into the upper 60s and lower 70s in some areas as we make our way through the day on Saturday. A few more clouds, though. We'll say partly cloudy skies. Then as we go through the day on Sunday, lots of sunshine, a high of 63 and 61 on Monday, still mainly sunny skies. Mid to upper 60s on Tuesday into Wednesday, still a lot of sunshine. Unfortunately, no moisture chances as we make our way through most of the next week. And then for the day on Thursday, mostly sunny skies. By this time next week, still into the lower 70s, which is still pretty warm. Kent?
So the warmest day for the next week is what we end our week on.
Yeah, a little surge of warm air. We're going to keep the windy conditions too.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And you might have to pay more to see the doctor next year thanks to inflation. Experts say most employees can expect to pay